Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a neck mobility drill that you can do to, well, activate your vestibular system, tie your body together, and freak out your friends. So go ahead and hide the kids. This one's kind of disturbing. Actually, I'm just kidding. Your kids will actually want to do this, or they can do this way better than I can. But I'll just show you what we're going to do. So we're going to stand shoulder width apart, and you're just going to tilt your head as far over as it'll go. And then you're going to let your weight shift over that leg that your head's tilted on. And then you're going to right your head. Hey. And you're going to like keep righting it, overcorrect it. And then you shift your weight to the other leg. And then you're going to right your head. So we're just participating in lateral flexion. And we're activating the vestibular system. And you're going to feel muscles in your body respond to this, especially as your weight shifts over this leg here, especially as you right your head back, trying to get it level with the horizon. It may not get level with the horizon, but you need to move, or you can move where you can move. So you don't have to be a giraffe to be able to do this. You just have to have a neck. And chances are, if you're watching this, you have a neck. It might not be as long as mine, but you've got something you can move. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, for one, it activates your vestibular system. Two, it does encourage lateral flexion, which is something we often lose as, well, something typically people lose as they grow older. You shouldn't necessarily use it, but if you don't use it, you lose it. But also if you challenge it, there's a chance you can gain it back. And four, we're working on our balance a little bit here, because we are activating our vestibular system in a very Stevie Wonder-esque way, and we're shifting weight from side to side. You'll feel it. And if you really want to know if this is good for your body, just test how you move. Test how you move before you do it, like maybe you test how your squat feels, and then do a couple of Stevies, exaggerated Stevies, and then test how your squat feels then. And then if you squat better, you feel better, you move better, hey, my nervous system kind of digs this, maybe I'll do it. And how often should you do it? That's up to you. You can just fit it into your day. It doesn't take a long time, and it might be part of your morning warm-up routine or your morning stretch routine. You don't have to do it. It's just something that you could do that could be good for your body. All right? Give that a shot. If you're curious, let me know what you think. Let me know if your kids do it better than you do. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.